Hi guys, it's me. Today we're diving into a home theater setup that completely changes how big screen entertainment fits into everyday life. This is the AWOL Vision LTV-3000Pro paired with a 120-inch motorized ALR floor rising screen, and it's designed for people who want a cinematic experience without permanently remodeling their space. The experience starts before the projector even turns on. Watching the screen rise smoothly from the floor already feels premium. No wall mounting, no drilling, no ceiling brackets. It's a clean, minimal setup that instantly makes sense for living rooms, apartments, and modern homes where flexibility matters. Once the image hits the screen, the brightness is impossible to ignore. Powered by a triple laser system delivering up to 3,000 lumens, this projector handles ambient light far better than most people expect. You can watch during the day, enjoy sports with lights on, or fully darken the room for a true theater feel. The ALR screen works together with the projector to keep contrast strong, reflections under control, and colors looking rich instead of faded. Image quality is where the LTV-3000Pro separates itself from average projectors. Dolby Vision support adds depth and realism, giving movies a more lifelike look with better highlight control and improved shadow detail. HDR10 plus content looks sharp and balanced, and motion stays smooth even during fast scenes. Skin tones look natural, colors feel accurate, and the overall image feels polished rather than artificially boosted. That massive 120-inch screen makes everything more immersive. Movies feel larger than life, sports broadcasts pull you into the action, and gaming becomes something completely different. With ultra-low input lag, gameplay feels responsive and smooth, making this setup surprisingly strong for both console and PC gaming. Once you game at this size, it's hard to go back. Sound performance is another area where this setup delivers more than expected. Dolby Atmos support combined with Thunderbeat audio provides clear dialogue, decent bass, and room-filling sound without needing extra speakers right away. For many people, this will be more than enough for everyday use. And for those who want to expand later, adding an external sound system is easy. The ultra-short throw design makes a huge difference in real-world use. Because the projector sits inches from the screen, there are no shadows when people walk around, no long cable runs across the room, and no complicated alignment issues. It feels practical, not fragile, which matters when this is something you'll use daily. Smart features make the experience smoother overall. Apps load quickly, menus respond instantly, and switching between streaming, gaming, and external devices feels effortless. Everything about the interface is designed to stay out of the way and let the content shine. This setup makes a strong case as a TV replacement. Instead of spending a massive amount on a giant television that still maxes out under 100 inches, this delivers an even larger display with better immersion and far more flexibility. It's also ideal for anyone who wants premium visuals without committing to permanent installation. At the end of the day, the AWOL Vision LTV-3000Pro with the 120-inch motorized ALR floor rising screen feels like a complete home entertainment solution. It's bright, immersive, easy to set up, and designed for real living spaces. If you're looking to upgrade your home theater experience and want something that truly stands out, this bundle is worth a serious look. You'll find the link to it in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.